Today I'll show you how to quickly create a WooCommerce coupon to boost sales and reward your customers. First, go to your WooCommerce settings from the dashboard, click on the General tab and make sure Enable the use of coupon codes is checked. This step activates coupons for your store. If you want multiple coupons to apply together, check Calculate Coupon Discount sequentially. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, go to the Marketing section and select Coupons. Click Add Coupon to create a new one. Enter a unique coupon code like Summer10 or let WooCommerce generate a random code. Add a description for internal reference such as the purpose of the discount or any special conditions. Once saved, your coupon is ready for customers to use. Coupons are a simple yet powerful way to increase sales, promote products, and reward loyalty.